Hello and welcome to another lecture in Multi-User Python Jupyter Notebook course for generative AI, ML and data science collaboration. So far we had covered a lot of things like Jupyter AI Python Notebook course overview and objectives, overview of generative AI and LLM capabilities in Jupyter, then setup and installation of Jupyter Python Notebook on various cloud like AWS, GCP and Azure. So in this lecture we'll talking about enable multi-user environment in Jupyter AI. So basically, we will explore advanced techniques for enabling and managing multi-user environment using JupyterHub. Then we will delve into the configuration option and security consideration involved in setting up collaboration Jupyter environment for generative AI, ML and data science projects. So participants will learn how to create user accounts, assign permissions, and monitor resources usage within JupyterHub. Through practical demonstration and interactive discussion, learners will gain insights into best practices for facilitating teamwork and collaboration in Jupyter-based workflows. So by the end of this lecture, participants will equip with skills to effectively manage multi-user environments in Jupyter AI, fostering collaboration and innovation within their organization. So let's start the demonstration process, like how it works and what are the features and capabilities of JupyterHub. So once you start with the JupyterHub, then check that your VM is running. Okay, so my VM is already running, and this is the HTTPS and IP address. You can see here. This is the IP address. Okay, so now what we have to do next? So like this VM comes with a default Ubuntu as an admin user. So to access the web UI to add more users, log in with Ubuntu users and its password. Okay, so I will give some user name here, like Ubuntu, and your password and login. Yes. So here you can see like it works. So what we have to do next, click on the file option and click on the file option. Then you can see here the hub control panel option. Then like open the control panel, click by clicking the control panel button from the file menu from here. Then in the control panel, open the admin link in the top left. First click on the hub control panel and click on the admin link. Okay, so here you can see the admin dashboard, and now you can see a lot of things here like about add users, last activity, start all, stop all, shut down hub, stop server, access server, edit user. Okay, so you can see the Ubuntu, like this VM is come with the like a default user, that is Ubuntu, and the role is admin. Okay, so we have to add some users here. So what we have to do next, this opens up the JupyterHub admin page where you can add, delete users, start, stop people, servers, and see who is online. Click the add users button on the left, add users dialogs open up. Okay, so in the left you can see add user button, and here you can add any user, for example demo 10. Okay, and click on add user button from here. So you can see that we have add one user, that is demo 10, and never we have add this user now. So you can see the activity is never. Okay, and you can also see the start server and like spawn page edit. You can also see the edit user button here. Then you can see about that admin dashboard, that is Ubuntu, and logout button are also here, and you can see here home token and admin link. So yep, our user is created with name demo 10. Okay, so now what we have to do next? So like save the user by clicking on the add user button in the dialog box. We have already do this. Then you user are now added to JupyterHub. You can directly start the server and access the JupyterHub page from here. When you click on the we have do some activity like click on start server. Yes, so you can see that the server is started, and you can also see the stop server and access server option here, and you can see the edit user option is also here. So what we have to do next, like when you click on the access server, it will ask you to authorize the newly created user. So if you click on access server, so you can see the authorize access, and application is requesting authorization to access data associated with your JupyterHub account. So this will grant the application permission. Okay, so click on authorize button. So after click on authorize button, new user will have complete separate Jupyter environment. Okay, yeah, it will take some time. Yes, so you can see here that new user have separate JupyterHub account. Okay, so like when you have added the user from the JupyterHub, the user gets added as a system user. You can update the password of newly created user by running below command in the terminal. So open your terminal. My terminal is already running. So what we have to do, we have do run simple command sudo password, and then uh, demo 10. Okay, so the username is demo 10, and you can give new password to user. Okay, so the password is updated successfully. Now what we have to do next, now log into JupyterHub using new user and its password. Okay, so I will show you that also. Yes, and log out from here. Okay, so give a new username, uh, demo and password. So it will take some time. Yes, so you can see that we have login with new user. That like I add one user name, one user that is demo 10, and you can see that we have login with new user ID also. Okay, so you have full access and control as an admin. So if you click on again on hub control panel button, then you can see at the like home link and token link, not an admin link here, because we are not in admin panel. We are login as an user. So you can also see the name here, that is demo 10. Okay, yeah. So you can also see my server, stop my server. So if you click on my server button, then here you can find about the Jupyter Hub environment and all the things. Okay. So all the access have like admin have all the access, like admin can make user, and then admin can edit user and give access to users. Like that depends on you, like how many users you can make in uh, the Jupyter Hub. Okay, so yep, like that's all about this video, like how it works. You can also check our guide on techlatest.net website. Click on product support page, find about the Jupyter Python notebook, and you can find about like the guide here, enable multi-user environment. Okay, click on this and you can find all the guide. So yep, that's all about this video. Like we will meet in next video.